Hi there, my name is Raj Patel. I'm going to show my lab for today, which is for working with Power BI. Here is the information of data. I got data for cereal, which we have in breakfast, and this data includes all manufacture of this cereal, the type of cereal, calories, protein, fat, sodium, fibers, and all the information about the cereal habit. So here is the website where I found my data. So this is the website and where I found this data and also the information about this data. So, yeah, here first I got this data which has 77 rows. First of all, the names of all the cereals over here, then the manufacturer like Kellogg's, Quaker, and all the manufacturers who make these. This is the type, so hot and cold, two options in that. Calories, protein, fat, sodium, all the information. So carbs, sugar, potassium, vitamins. And this is the information about the self where you can find this. So this is some store. This is the weight of all, like this is one box or something. And the rating, which is main part for this data. So the first of all, what I did, I cleaned the data and I make this table. And so here is the manufacturer name. So this is here you can see all manufacturers, General Mills, then I did down it's Kellogg's. So whoever has made those, cereals, here is the cereal, um, so this is the name of cereal over here. So that's all the flavors. So Kellogg's have made this much amount of different flavors and different kind of cereal boxes and the ratings of them in percentage and calories. So this is the clean data which I took, which includes the 77 rows. Here you can see the count of records which I got from here. I can make the table from there. This table I made by here, just went there and put all the information like here. I went one on the count here and I put in with the count. Here is the data for average rating for all the manufacturers. So this is the count of all ratings, average counts of rating. So on the first row, there is a Nabisco, which has good ratings. So people like it, it says that people like that. And on second, it's American Home Food and Production, then Kellogg, then Quaker Oats, then Post, and all in descending order. So here is the table for that as well, which also shows the average rating in front of manufacturer. Um, it had a rating like this, as you can see here in first page. It has a rating by name of uh, uh, any product. But what I did in here, I group by, I made the group of all manufacturers and put the average rating of all manufacturers who have made that product. And here is the data for that, which has uh, Nabisco is on top on that. Here is my second data, which is for average of calorie by manufacturers. So here I did the same thing as calories were divided into all the products. So I made into a manufacturer and as in here you can see all the manufacturers who like this is the average calorie all products have that all products have this average calories and here you can see all the labels which I can vary from there here in filter and here I made this pie chart and uh here you can see all the information so this is the Kellogg's if you want to see from here it's Kellogg's it can show in here even if you want the label you want to see here that's in Kellogg's label there Kellogg's has a 108.70 calories average calories in all of them products. Uh, and as you can see, all of them are showing same. And I have made a table for that as well, which can show you directly all the averages in front of our manufacturer. The third one, which is also a chart, it shows a manufacturer account. So, um, so let's say one manufacturer has 10 different products. So this one has, Kellogg's has 23 products. American Home Food and Products has one product, and Whisper has 6 products. So this table is all about the count of names, count of products by manufacturers. So here you can see the Kellogg's has a 23 products in this data, and General Mills has 22 in this data. So here you can see this all information about that, and this is the data which I made. Like I went into here and did the name and manufacturer, and this one I made like this was showing a name before, but by changing the name here in account, so it counts how many names are under the manufacturer, so how many products are under the manufacturer. So this is all it is, and here's all my everything is same here, and this is the reference which I got this data from. Thanks for watching this video.